Hey everybody, so I'm super excited to announce that I'm starting a Patreon. And I know Patreon is kind of a controversial thing for a lot of people, but I want to explain where I'm coming from. Last year there was the adpocalypse, and when the adpocalypse happened, I decided to get a day job. And that helps. And I'm not in a bad situation right now. Actually, I'm paying for my rent quite comfortably. I'm not going to starve to death or be kicked out onto the street, like I say in the actual full-length thing down below. I'm fine, more or less, financially, like anyone else nowadays. So if there were an issue, if there was an adpocalypse, I have a day job. I can just take on more hours at work. But if I were to do that, it would mean certain things would have to be cut. And first to go would be this art channel. And I really would rather that not happen. So this is more of a hopefully nothing goes wrong, but if something does go wrong, we can, mitigate the problem sort of situation. But I want this Patreon to also be transactional. I know a lot of people like to make Patreons where it's just like, give me money and I'll keep doing what I'm doing. That's fine. I personally don't like running my life like that. That's not how I choose to do things. So if you decide you're gonna donate to me, I feel like you should get something out of it. And so the $1 and $5 tiers are probably gonna stay the way they are. But beyond that, we're gonna change up the other tiers to kind of fit the need of what you guys want. So if you're interested, check out the rewards, check out the longer version of what I just said down below. But that's the short version of that wall of text below this video here if you're watching on the Patreon page. Anyway, thank you guys for the support, and thank you guys for even considering looking at this Patreon page. And if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, bye.